Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. We have started a Power BI DAX functions after a successful completion of 25 days formula challenge in Excel. So in this complete series, we are going to see and discuss about the DAX functions which is available in Power BI. And we have already discussed about how to install the Power BI, how to create a simple dashboard. And in the previous video of this one, we have given the explanation of what are the different 8 different functions which is available in Power BI. In that, the very first one which we have is date and time functions. In that, today I'm going to discuss about two different types which are important in date and time, which is on date and date value functions in Power BI. Before jumping into video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Let's start with the date and date value functions. So to create a column or to create a measure, there is a two different things which is very essential you need to learn. One is creating a calculated column or new column, or creating a measure. So difference between these two will be, so I'm writing it in notepad. That is two things, which is calculated column and calculated measure. Okay, so these two things will give you the expected output. But what is the difference between these two? In a basic, very basic view is calculated column is which we can use to get all the type of value. You can get the string value. You can create a string value, any other values like numeric, text, boolean. These kind of values you can get it in calculator column, but in calculator measure it will help you to retrieve only the values, which is only with the output of numbers, like sum of values, count of data. Those things only we can get it from the numbers, sorry, calculator measures. So these are the two different method in creating a new column or measure, which is called, where these two only used to create a DAX functions. That there's a two option to available to create a DAX functions. Okay, let's start. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to show how to create a date in DAX function. So what is this date? Okay, I'm creating a new column, or else you can see, you can click it on table, and new column you can able to create it as well. So I'm naming it as date underscore column, which is equal to date. So each and every Power BI DAX functions also have syntax like the Excel formulas. So here for the syntax for this particular date column, date function is date. We have to give it in the year, and it should be the month, and it should be the day. I'm giving it as January 1st of 2023. So how it is used? If I click on OK or enter, or else I can click on this tick mark. This particular column is created. Okay, you can see it here, and this is automatically converted as a date time function as well. Now to view this, I'm just replacing the value of here to the slicer. You can see this 11223 to 1123 is created. So this will obviously help you to create a date, the particular date which you want to create for a particular column. How it is used is like to create, when you want to create the difference between those two dates, you can able to create. That's how this date column will be used. Like date function is used. Okay. So the other one which we discuss is date value column. So date value column is nothing but it will help you to create a date or extract the date from the when it is in the text format. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just converting it into normal text format. Okay. Now this is completely converted into text format, right? Yeah. Now what I have to do is I just want to, if I want to change anything into the different date column or something, I may get error when I'm doing this. So I want to extract it into a date column. So for that I'm creating a new column. Right click on this table, click on new column, or else you can click it here, a new column. Okay, I'm clicking here this time. Date value underscore column. which is equal to date value I am giving and date text. Which date text we have, which is in date column table. It's in the date column. Sales order table, date column and column. So it's created. Now I'm just closing it. So now you can see date value column is automatically converted into date and time format. So I am removing this order date and I am just taking it into this particular slicer. I can see this is created as a date format. So this is how we can use date and date value function. Hope you have understood this concept. If you have any questions, please let me know and put your comments in the comments box, and try to reach us if you have any doubt in our social media platform as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.